When I order chicken wings from the butcher, I prepare it this way to make the food tastier. Everyone is left sucking the bones of how rich they are. I'll start this recipe by cutting 12 chicken wings this way. Once cut, I will add them to a container. Then I'm going to add 3 crushed garlic cloves. And I'll spice it up with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of ground black pepper, the juice of a lemon. Do not forget to add the lemon because it will give it an incredible flavor. And I will mix well to incorporate these ingredients into the chicken wings. People, this recipe with chicken wings is super easy to make and is incredibly delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Now I will let it marinate for 10 minutes, the longer the better. Next, in a pan I will add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And I will stir constantly until the sugar melts. This step is very important to do because it will help us to give a perfect golden color to the wings. I'll add the seasoned chicken wings right away and brown it on both sides. Meanwhile, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Janice Chapman from Australia, also for Alice from Sarawak, and Oladil from Nigeria. Thank you very much for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. When they are golden on both sides, I will add a julienne onion, and I will spread it on the chicken wings. But this step is optional. If you are not an onion lover, you can omit it in this recipe and do not open problem. I will cover the pan and let cook over medium heat for 6 minutes. After a while, I'm going to turn all the wings over so that it finishes cooking well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I like chicken wings, so I can send you a very special greeting. I will cover the pan again and let it cook for 5 more minutes. And already our golden chicken wings are ready. Look how delicious they have been. We have made some tasty chicken wings perfect for lunch. I hope you make this recipe at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.